Hello everyone, welcome to SSBR Educations. This is SRIVALLI. In this session, I am going to explain about symbols. So in the last two sessions, I given a brief idea about languages of chemistry and what are the topics that we are discussing in the future sessions. So in this session, I am going to explain about symbols. We know that elements was written in the short form to represent that symbols. So for the convenience, we written the elements in the assigned symbols. We assign the elements in a symbols manner. So another point you should keep in your mind, that is every element has its unique symbol. Element has its unique symbol. Means what is the definition of this? Means I will write here. Unique symbol means, for example, I am taking hydrogen. Hydrogen has its symbol H. We will represent the hydrogen in the symbol in the form of H. So, if the symbol of helium is He. So here, one thing you should keep in your mind: hydrogen symbol is H and helium symbol is He. The every element has its own symbol. That symbol will not having for any another element. Take the example helium and hydrogen. Helium symbol is H. They given two letters for this, because if we write helium also, if we represent the helium by H also, we will confuse that hydrogen or helium. That's why the scientists named the elements in the first one single letter or both two letters, because some of the elements was same formation was having. That time scientists said that we can write the elements in the single letter or both two letters. So, and also another point we should keep in mind, keep in your mind, that is when we are writing a symbol, when we are writing a symbol, the capital the first letter should be capital and the second letter should be small. Either it having single letter also, it should be capital. First should be capital and second letter should be small. We should not write second letters in the big capital form. That will makes the wrong symbol. See here, I written the second letter small and the first letter H. I mean first letter capital. So when we are writing a symbol, the capital letter should be first and the small letter should be second. That time it makes the full sense of an element. So up to now we discussed this. So in another also is symbols of elements based on various criteria. Means the symbols they make in the different types of manner and based on scientists' name, laboratory and planets. So now we will see that symbols based on various criteria means the the element symbols was making in different manner. First one is symbols based on first letter, means it having single letters like hydrogen, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. These are the example for single letter of symbol. These all elements having single letters. So this is the first one, and coming to second one, symbols based on second letter. Helium, lithium, chlorine, neon, platinum. These elements have two letters in the writing of symbols, and the first letter is capital and the second letter is small. Helium, lithium, chlorine, neon, platinum are the example for symbols based on second letter. And coming to third one, symbols based on Latin names. These are the very important names. We should never forget those names in the future also, because these some of the elements was different in the symbol formation. For example, sodium. Take sodium. Sodium has symbol Na. It was totally not related to sodium. See the example helium. The first two letters. The first two letters of the helium is the symbol of the helium. But here see, sodium is totally not related to Na. So that's why some of these are different for this. That's why these symbols has another name, that is Latin names. We will call this Latin names. And sodium, potassium, iron, copper, silver, gold, and another five also there: mercury, lead, tin, antimony, tungsten. These 11 elements have Latin names. First, I will read this. Sodium, natrium, and the symbol is Na. Potassium, kalium, K. Iron, ferrum, Fe. We can call these all names another type in the Latin name formation. Copper, cuprum, Cu, cuprum. Silver, argentum, Ag. Gold, harum, Au. Like this, another five also there: mercury, lead, tin, antimony, tungsten. Totally, in all elements, there are 11 Latin names are there. So, I mean, 11 elements have 11 Latin names. In future, if we got any new element, we can write the Latin name, or else we can conclude any another type also. So, this is about Latin names. And coming to fourth one, symbols based on scientist's name. Scientist's name means the scientists who invented the elements, they kept their names as the symbol formation. These are the example for, take the Nobelium. Who discovered this? Alfred Nobel, and the symbol was totally related to NO. These elements was discovered, invented these scientists, and the symbols of those elements is, these are Cm, Es, Fm, No, Md. And I already written this. I written first letter in the capital letter and second letter in the small. Keep that in your mind always. You should not forget to write the elements symbols in the wrong formation. And coming to fifth. Coming to fifth one, symbols based on names of the countries are laboratories. Some of the names was related to country or the laboratory. So first one is Berkelium, that was the country name or else laboratory of city of Berkeley, and the symbol is BK. University of California, and the element was californium, and the symbol was CF. Poland, polonium, and the PO. Germanium, Germany, GE. And another two also there: Americium, America, AM. Ruthenium, Russia, RU. These are another two examples for the statement of symbols based on names of the countries and the laboratories. And another sixth one, symbols based on names of planets. Some of the elements was named by the planet's name. Take the Uranus, and the element name as uranium, and the symbol is U. Neptunius, and the symbol is NP. Pluto, plutonium, PU. So these are the symbols based on different criteria. Up to now, I completed the topic symbols and the introduction part of the languages of chemistry, and also I did the video on in languages of chemistry, the topics that we are going in the future session. And I'm going to conclude this session. Before concluding, please subscribe my channel and click on the like symbol. Thank you, friends, for watching my video.